Hi, I'm Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. Today I want to show you an introduction of our nutrient delivery system. This is a perfect system for anybody that wants to inject more than one product. This can be from hydroponic vegetables to hemp to cannabis or any type gardening that needs more than one additive added. So we have this in a complete kit form. It starts out with our starter kit with the water coming in. We have a water filter, we have a pressure regulator, we have a shutoff valve. That comes into our unit kits. From there, we can add specific units for the needs that you have. Here we have an A and a B for vegetables. So we can do our NPK fertilizer in our A tank, we can do our calcium nitrate in our B tank. This is a perfect way for blending multiple products. This application can be done for any growing scenario, and it's customizable and it's modular. If you have questions about our NDS system, please call us at Dosatron and Dilution Solutions.